In the next few minutes, I'll break the dream job fantasy and will give you clarity how to build something even better, and that too on your own terms. Let's get started. To begin with, let's understand who sold you this dream. From the young age, when we actually started understanding the concept of money, we were told these two things: either follow your passion, do what you love, and money will follow, or follow a traditional path, get your degrees, and then you land in a job that will change your life and you'll live happily after. But nobody told us the reality. Number one, that if we follow the dream, what if the dream doesn't pay the bills? What if we don't make the enough money? Then what? What's next? Or if we land in a job and we give 100% to that company, we give everything, every waking hour of our life we give to that company, we work day and night, and then the company fires us and we end up nowhere. So what's next? That's the catch, my friend. Dream jobs aren't built for freedom. They were never meant to give you freedom. Dream jobs are designed in such a way that they keep you in this constant loop of external validation. You'll keep chasing that validation. It can be your title, your money, the big brand that you want to be associated with. They were never meant to give you the success with your own definition, because success means different things to each one of us and it can never be same. And that's why so many of us burn out. And funny enough, a lot of us wear that burnout as a badge of honor, as if we are doing something so meaningful that will revolutionize the whole world, and the work, the extra hours that we are putting is just so worth it. We work late, we answer emails on our vacations, we take meetings. And for what? For that 3% raise in a year? Or that LinkedIn badge? Here is the harsh truth. If your dream job requires you to sacrifice your sleep, your mental health, your hobbies, your peace, then my friend, it's not a dream job. It's a pretty prison in which you are caged. And how do I know that? I know that because once the level that I dreamt of, that I want to reach that level and life will be so different when I reach there. The reality is, when I reached at that level and started making whatever money, the view wasn't very pleasant from there. I climbed the ladder, but the view wasn't what I expected. The life wasn't what I expected. Life was just work, and that wasn't the idea of dream job that I had. I thought once I land in my dream job, once I'm on my dream project, life will be like a fantasy, and I would love every single day to wake up and to go for work. But the reality was nowhere close to what I wanted it to be. So what's the point I'm trying to make? I'm trying to tell you that companies use your passion against you. I'll repeat it. Companies use your passion against you. You know what passion means for some employers? It means free labor. It means free labor. It means that you'll go above and beyond your responsibilities even if they never promote you. Because if you love the job, you are never supposed to question the expectations or never question the boundaries. This is how exactly they keep you grateful for being exploited. And that's how you feel grateful for having that job. And when they say that we value you, they simply means that they value your output, the output you are producing, until the budget changes. And the sad reality is that most of the people will never escape this trap. Why? Because most of the people keep chasing the dream job definition presented by the companies, and they never take out time to define what exactly successful life looks to them. What does it mean to them? Most of them know that what a successful life looks like on LinkedIn, but they do not know what a successful life means in their gut. They do not know how does it feel. And here is in a nutshell what you need to learn. You need to learn that your job is not your identity. Your worth is not tied to your productivity. The output, the results that you produce at your work, your value is not just that. Your worth is just not that. And stability is not same as safety. And here you can do a very quick 2-minute exercise that will give you a fair idea if your job aligns with what success means to you or not. Quickly define what dream life means to you. Does it mean flexibility of time? Does it mean spending more time with your family or your kids? Does it mean having a choice of location independence? You could work from wherever you want. Define what it is, and then see if your job is actually taking you in the direction where you want to be. You may have not reached the destination yet, but at least see If you continue working in this job or these kind of jobs, will you move any closer to the goal that you have? Are you making any progress in the direction where you really want to go? Or it just simply keeping you too busy to even think about these things? So here is the alternatives that I suggest and you must do, and that is, do not let companies use you. Do not get used by the companies. Use companies, use your job to plan your financial freedom. I'm not saying quit your job right away or today. I'm just saying reclaim your power. Do not think that your employer is controlling you or controlling your life. Have that sense of control where you know that you are controlling whatever you are doing in your life. If you are going to that job every single day, you are doing it for some reason. You knows your why. You know what that job will give you so that you can move closer to the direction that you want to go to. Start seeing your job as a tool. It's not your purpose. Stop seeing your job as your purpose. It's not your purpose. It's not your life. It's just a tool to build a path that will take you closer to your dreams. And the most practical tip that I gave over and over again in my most of the videos is that start doing something on the side. If you haven't already, take this video as your sign and start doing something on the side, which might not generate income right away for you, but at least you are set on a path that eventually it will make you some income. Even if your job feels stable right now, even if you feel like there's nothing wrong with my job, still make a 6-month escape plan. And why you need it? Because you never know. It's your perception that your job is stable and there seems nothing wrong with your job. You never know. As a HR, I can tell you that half the time employees doesn't know what's happening behind the scenes, and they are this close to getting fired from that job on which they are laying the foundation of their whole life. So my friend, do not wait for something unfortunate to happen. Start taking steps right now when you feel comfortable with your job, when you feel there's nothing wrong with the job, when you feel that everything is going fine, I do not need all of this. This is the actual time that you need to build that path. This is the actual time when you need to have that 6-month exit plan and rewire your self-worth away from job titles. Tomorrow, if you are not doing any job, you are not working at any fancy title, you shouldn't feel unstable or you shouldn't feel like a loser in life. Those are not your identity. You are still a whole human being, even if you do not have any titles, job titles. So rewire your self-worth in a way that you're unshakable and carry an attitude that if one goes, another one will come. It's just a tool. It's not something that defines my life. So dream jobs fade, but the financial freedom that you create with that tool stays back. It will hold you in place in difficult times. It will give you inner peace. It will give you creative freedom. It will give you control. You will be able to control your life the way you want it. It is real. That joy is real, and that's why it is worth chasing, not the dream jobs. So this means that you do not need a dream job to live a successful life. You just need to identify a job that aligns well with your expectation at this point of time. You need that much money, the job give you that much money, and then you put that money to work so that you can build your financial freedom, and gradually you stop depending on the money that is coming from the job. So that's the whole idea of this creating financial freedom plan. You have to really let go of this illusion that there exists a job that will give you a successful life or with the help of which you will be able to live a dream life. That's an illusion because there exists no such job. Even if you find a job and you're happy with it and everything in that job looks so nice, so good to you, still you do not know how many days you are there, how many months you are there in that company. You have no guarantee of that. Stop working late for visibility. Stop sacrificing your weekends. Stop feeling guilty for taking a break or vacations or holidays, because even after doing all of this, you are still replaceable. That's not passion, that's exploitation. So wake up and build something that they cannot control. I highly recommend that for more step-by-step guidance, you watch this video that I did some time back. It teaches you step-by-step how to create your financial freedom. Watch it and then follow the steps so that eventually you have your own plan and then you escape this 9-to-5 race. So that was it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you all. If you liked today's content, please share it with someone who needs it, and do share your feedback in the comment section so that I know if you're liking this kind of content. And with that, I'm signing off. You keep on watching more content on the Corporate Diaries. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye.